I'll guide you through the fastest way to reach DIRECTV's support team using chat, phone calls, and more without getting stuck in a phone queue. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. To get an instant self-service, start at directv.com/support/satellite, where you'll find instant self-help solutions. Search by categories like billing and account management to resolve basic issues yourself. You can also scroll down to the frequently asked questions to get quick fixes for common problems. Another way is to scroll down and locate the chat widget at the bottom of the page to connect with a support staff member immediately. Also, you can click the Contact Us button, then select the topic, and follow the prompts to narrow down the solution. This is the verified method to resolve your DIRECTV account or technical issues by routing you to the right expert. For complex issues, contact official DIRECTV Customer Service by calling 800-531-5000. That is 800-531-5000. This DIRECTV's authorized support phone number is available Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. CT. Call as soon as business hours open to get guaranteed support from a DIRECTV expert with the shortest wait time. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.